Here we go. Tornado watch. Tornado watch 6.
Until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Hardee, Hillsborough, Manatee, Pasco, Pinellas, and Polk, and the following County in West Central Florida until 4:30 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pinellas Park, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard.
Another one.
County in Central Florida, southeastern Polk County in Central Florida. Becoming southwest around 4 in the afternoon.
SVR, Marion and Putnam.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm.
There they go.
Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in east central Florida. Around 5 now.
Here we go. Marine warning. Woo!
National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.
At 50. Here we go.
A storm surge watch is in effect, and tropical storm watch remains in effect for the following counties in Florida: coastal Hillsborough, coastal Manatee, coastal Pasco, coastal Sarasota, and Pinellas. Heat advisory in effect.
So my WEA doesn't go off. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Tropical storm warning. Stupid. Tropical storm warning.
A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties: Florida, inland Hernando, Hillsborough, Manatee, Pasco, Sarasota, and Sumter.
Wait, are we gonna need a double header?
A tropical storm watch remains.
Watch. Wow. That was towed immediately.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 594, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Hardee, Hillsborough, Manatee, Pasco, Pinellas, and Polk, and the following. The wind was southeast at 17 miles.
Come on, Tony. There it goes.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for Central Hardee County.
Here we go! Whoa, you activate on the first header!
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 595, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Hardee, Hillsborough, Manatee, Pasco, Pinellas, and Pope, and the following marine locations.
Hurricane warning. Yes!
A storm surge warning remains in effect, and a hurricane watch and tropical storm warning have been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following county: Coastal Levy, Florida. A hurricane watch and tropical
There we go, I got it.
are both in effect for the following county: Inland Levy, Florida. Tornado Watch number 596, effective until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Citrus, Hernando, Levy, Marion, and Sumter, and coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe
Alright, get ready for doubleheader.
Coastal Hillsborough, Coastal Levy, Coastal Manatee, Coastal Pasco, Coastal Sarasota, and Pinellas.
Holy frick.
A storm surge watch has been upgraded to a storm surge warning, and the hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following counties in Florida: Coastal Citrus, Coastal Hernando, Coastal Levy, and Coastal Pasco.
Alright, doubleheader. There we go.
This watch includes Levy, Florida. Service has issued Tornado Watch number 685, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Bradford, Clay, Columbia.
All right, here we go. Countdown. Get ready.
On Thursday, September 26th.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tone. Here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 686, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties: in Florida, Hardee, Hillsborough, Manatee, Pasco, Pinellas, and Pope, and the following. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued an extreme wind warning for Lafayette County in Big Bend, Florida, northeastern Wakulla County in Big Bend, Florida, northwestern Lincoln County in Big Bend, Florida, Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida, Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, County in Big Bend, County in Big Bend, at 8:59 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Helene. We're moving onshore 39 miles. Moving north at 30 miles. Dangerous and life-threatening situations. Locations and tactics include Tallahassee, Woodville, Monticello, Tallahatchie, St. Mark's, Perry, Madison, Horseshoe Point, Wakulla, Horseshoe Beach, Cody, Pinetta, Perry Foley Airport, San Pedro Junction, treat these imminent extreme winds a safe room in your shelter. Take action now to save your life. The safest place to be during a major rain-calling hurricane is in a reinforced interior room away from winds. Or on a piece of sturdy furniture. Use mattresses, pillows to cover your head and body.
Holy shit, guys.
For North Florida, flood watch. A storm surge watch is in effect and a hurricane watch is in effect for the following counties: in Florida, coastal Charlotte, coastal Citrus, coastal Hernando, coastal Hillsborough, coastal Lee, coastal Levy, coastal Manatee, coastal Pasco, coastal
There they go.
Sarasota,
Doubleheader? Yep.
Coastal Hillsborough, coastal Lee, coastal Levy, coastal Manatee, coastal Pasco, coastal Sarasota, a hurricane watch is in effect for the following counties: in Florida, DeSoto, Hardee, Highlands, Inland Charlotte, Inland Citrus, Inland Fernando, Inland Hillsborough, Inland Levy, Inland Manatee, Inland Pasco, Inland Sarasota, Polk, and Sumter.
All right, doubleheader. Oh, flood warning. Flood warning, triple header. Triple header. Oh my God. Holy shit.
Flood warning in effect from late Wednesday night to Thursday afternoon. What major flooding is forecast? This approaches the flood that occurred.
Major flooding.
Alpha River and Riverview near
Oh God.
When from late Wednesday night to Thursday afternoon. Additional details at 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. The stage was 1.3 feet. Bankful stage is 4.2 feet. Forecast: the river will oscillate around flood stage with a maximum value of 12.9 feet early Thursday. Flood stage is 4.2 feet. Flood history.
This did not work. Wait, what?
www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The tropical weather.
Tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 690, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Hardee, Hillsborough, Manatee, Pinellas, and Polk, and the following marine locations: Tampa Bay waters, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 to 60 nautical. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Babcock at WMA, over 12 miles north of Fort Myers, moving north at 25 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard.
90.5 Tony it.
Source: broadcast media confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Babcock at WMA around 12:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include North Fort Myers, Suncoast Estate.
Oh shit. There they go. There goes KIH.
Tornado watch for the following counties in Florida: Brevard, Lake, Orange, Seminole, and Volusia. Tornado watch number 690 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties in Florida: Brevard, Lake,
Brevard's under it
Seminole,
now.
and Volusia. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including
Oh shit!
Oh, expansion! Pascal!
Tornado watch number 690 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and now includes the following counties: Pasco, Florida.
That's me!
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in tornado warning for the following counties in Florida. Thursday afternoon, a warning for Okeechobee County in east central Florida, southwestern Indian River County in east central Florida, southwestern Osceola County in east central Florida until 3 p.m. Daylight time. To 7 moving north at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard. Management confirmed tornado. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. It may be deadly to those. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Okeechobee River and southeastern Osceola County. A potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Your life. Now, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter. Debris. Tornado warning for the following counties in Florida: Brevard, Indian River, Okeechobee, and Osceola. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Okeechobee County in east central Florida, western Indian River County in east central Florida, south central Brevard County in east central Florida, southeastern Osceola County in east central Florida until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 7 miles northeast of miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation.
Oh my fuck! I want it. Oh my. It never ends, though.
The National Weather Service in Alaska has issued a tornado warning for snipers link around 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Roofs, windows, and vehicles will
Hey!
The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay, Michigan has issued a flash Warning for Manatee County in west central Florida, northwestern
Serious
Sarasota
right now?
County in west central Florida until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sarasota, Bradenton, Palmetto, Anna Maria, West San Jose, Sarasota Bradenton Airport, South Bradenton, North Sarasota, Kensington Park, Elenton, The Meadows, Lakewood Ranch, Memphis, West Bradenton, St. Armand's Key, Southgate, Sarasota Springs, Ridgewood Heights, South Sarasota, and Southgate Bridge. Be especially cautious of this when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept away.
Animation.
River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.
Whoa!
Northeastern Florida, southeastern Putnam County in northeastern Florida, northeastern Marion County in northern Florida until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen.
Wow!
Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to be.
That was a really strong wind gust.
Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams,
Oh, wow,
urban
this is
areas,
scary.
highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Palm Coast, Reynolds, Crescent City, Pomona Park, Andalusia, Salt Springs, Fruitland, Lake Delancey, Willaca, Lake Como, and Georgetown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay
PDS.
flash flood warning for central Hillsborough County in west central Florida, northern Manatee County in west central Florida, southeastern Pinellas County in west central
PDS.
Florida until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 6 and 12 inches of rain have fallen.
Whew.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tampa, Clearwater, Largo, Bradenton, Pinellas Park, Temple Terrace, Seminole, Palmetto, downtown St. Petersburg, Fort DeSoto Park, Brandon, St. Petersburg, St. Pete Beach, Anna Maria, Gandy, McDill Air Force Base, West and East Leland, Feather Sound, and Tampa International Airport. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Tampa, Riverview, and Palmetto. The National Weather Service Tampa Bay Ruskin has extended the flash flood warning for Central Hillsborough County in west central Florida, northern Manatee County in west central Florida, southeastern Pinellas County in west central Florida, until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 10 and 14 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for St. Petersburg, Tampa, Riverview, and Palmetto. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tampa, Clearwater, Largo, Bradenton, Pinellas Park, Temple Terrace, Seminole, Palmetto, downtown St. Petersburg, Fort DeSoto Park, Brandon, St. Petersburg, St. Pete Beach, Santa Maria, Mandy, McPhail Air Force Base, West and East Leland, Feather Sound and Tampa International Airport. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.